Hello YouTubers, it's DP-DT double pole double throw switch. I'm using it as an intermediate switch or four-way switch. It has 6 pin. These are common pin, the middle one. Outer are the outer poles. Now couple of minutes I show you how we transfer it as an four-way or intermediate switch. I soldered a wire from here, this terminal to this terminal, and another wire from this terminal to this terminal. These are the common wire for both outer terminal. When switch join this terminal or bottom and the center, current will flow from this black wire through this terminal to this one and out here. On the other side, from this black wire to this terminal to this and to this wire. When we turn the position of the switch, it join both this one and this one, and then check what the position goes from here to this terminal straight to crossing and this terminal. It changed the polarity, and from this from black wire to this terminal to this wire and changing the polarity. The knob of the multimeter to continuity tester with beep. Before testing anything or testing any circuit, let us check working of the multimeter. Yes, I join this both the leads. Check, it's working good. After performing any test, let us check the working of the meter. Joining both the lead, it's working good. I made a gang box and insert the switch in this one, and we can fit on any gang box or fitting accessory. Now these are 4 terminal of intermediate or four-way switch. In the first position, it will connect face to face and neutral to neutral, and in the other position it will connect face to neutral and neutral to face. Every time when we change the position of the four-way switch, it changes the polarity from its previous position. That's why it works in four-way switch. Wiring is completed. It's ready for second fix. So I start fixing the accessories to my lamp controlled from 3 places. 1, 2 and 3. Here is two-way switch, second two-way switch, and intermediate switch or four-way switch. Make sure all the terminals or all the connections should be electrically and mechanically tied, so that there shouldn't be any sparking. If we left any connection loose by sparking, it can be hazard, can cause a fire or damage to the accessory. button on the top. In the middle, a two-way switch. I fix four-way switch here and lamp holder here. All the accessories are connected with wires. You can see here active, neutral, is earth, and through wire or half wire. This is two-way switch 2. This is through wire, neutral, at the bottom active, red wire, and earth. It's four-way switch. One side connected to this side is connected to two-way switch 1, and this side connected to two-way switch 2, and this wire through wire, both the through wires connected to lamp holder, and for safety is also connected to earth. Ready, everything? Now we will check it. Now we are starting testing the insulation, accuracy for insulation test. Before we start commence insulation test, we have to take off all the accessories connected to the circuit. Now I start performing insulation test of the circuit. Before we commence insulation test, we check our instrument for accuracy. For short circuit, from the test button, it's showing 179 ohm. It's the resistance of the leads of some internal resistance of the instrument. Now we test the instrument for open circuit, which I separate the leads from bottom, set to 0, and I start it's over limit. This insulation test is for 4000 mega ohm. So it means when it show over limit, the resistance connected to the leads is beyond this limit. Now we set it to 0. Test phase, active wire and earth, active wire and neutral and earth for insulation test. It should be more than 1 mega ohm. Alligator clip, I connect it to active wire, and this is another alligator to earth. Now test it. Over limit. Insulation is good, there is no leakage. Now between active and neutral. Again set it to 0, test. Over limit, no leakage, good result. Now between neutral and earth, set to 0. You can turn the light of instrument on, test it. Over limit, no leakage, result is good. We perform the test. Now we check again. Our instrument is working properly or not. Test it. Because both the leads are open. Good result. And in short circuit, alligator, both the leads connected through alligator clip. Reset to 0. Test. In the 500 volt range, it's showing 8 ohm resistance of the leads of instrument. That's our instrument is working good. Now I start my circuit or wiring for its working. I connect luminaries, fan, whatever is connected to the circuit, and same way we set it to continuity test. Shows overload. Now it's neutral and its phase. So over limit means no resistance is connected. I turn on second 89.2 ohm. I turn this one on. It's again 88.59 something. The resistance of the circuit. It's off, on, off, on. Now this wiring is ready to energize. We can give supply to this one, this wiring. This supply to 230 volt. Now its circuit is energized. All the 3 switch, 2-way switch, 4-way switch and 2-way switch setting are in off position. Now this lamp can be controlled from any place. We can turn it off and on from particular place, from 4-way switch, from any of the 2-way switch. Let us try how it goes. Switch on, it's off. We can turn it off from any place. Okay.